How to use the Cointiply Faucet. The faucet lets you claim frequency at regular intervals. From the dashboard, open the faucet section, complete the CAPTCHA shown and click Claim to receive coins. Your reward depends on your faucet label and current bonuses. After claiming, a timer appears showing when the next claim is available. The faucet is ideal for daily activity and maintaining consistent earnings. Claim the faucet daily to build quick bonuses and increase long-term rewards. Do you claim the faucet every day or only occasionally? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can use the Cointiply Faucet. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.